Joey and Kirsten live in Everett. Yeah, she says it's just a small little bungalow, but they're not selling. I don't know. She had like this panic in her voice. She was super nervous. Okay. And maybe sounded a little bit desperate, like maybe there's financial things. I'm sure it's just like, why do I have the house that's not selling?
Yeah. And they want to be told what to do to sell.
Absolutely.
They're ready to sell.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
How do you feel right now?
We've been without a steady renter for almost a year now. We marketed it for 5-6 months and we couldn't get rid of it.
Wow. I think we can really make you guys some great money here. So we would invest our own money in the renovation, and then once we recoup our investment, we would split the profits.
Okay.
Okay.
So to be honest, when we were driving down to the home, we were getting excited when we saw the yards that we were passing. And when we got here, we noticed this isn't the same yard. It just doesn't have that curb appeal and that excitement.
People who are going to drive by will make a decision based off of what they see within the first 10 seconds. I feel like if we could just add a little bit of curb appeal, we take advantage of the view that you have up here, it would just make such a huge impact.
Yeah.
It is first impression, and first impression is everything. Also, buyers are willing to pay more for a house with an outdoor living space.
I think we need to up our patio game.
You're saying this is a bad thing.
I'm saying we could do better.
Perfect.
Awesome. Let's check it out. Oh, okay.
This is great.
Great space.
Great light.
Yeah.
Built up molding. So fun.
Yeah.
People come into these homes to find that kind of character.
Absolutely.
So things that we would want to address in this room. I'd love to update the paint. We've got the tap floors, but these ones look like they've been here a little while. So we would probably throw down some new floors.
Great.
Okay, so I gotta ask about the elephant in the room.
You love the wall.
Did you put it in?
No.
Okay, thank you.
We were hoping somebody would love it.
Yeah.
And how'd that work out? This right here is not gonna be a huge expense to take care of.
Yeah.
But man, is this gonna be a return.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I like that.
And there are 2 bedrooms. They're in pretty good shape. Don't need much, but paint and flooring.
So this is the kitchen.
This is a huge part of the buyer's decision. They can love the rest of the home, but if the kitchen doesn't work, they're out. You guys have great space here.
Yeah.
With that said, I think these cabinets need to go. This countertop needs to be updated. This whole kitchen needs a fresh touch. This is where we need to focus.
Are you talking about getting rid of all the cabinets?
Yeah, I am.
The cabinets have to go?
Yeah, they do. These cabinets are absolutely usable. They're beautiful, but they are not the right cabinets for this neighborhood at the price that we are gonna make you guys in this home.
We don't want to just sell the house.
No.
We want to make you guys that money that you deserve after having this investment for 10 years.
Then I'm in.
Yes! Drop the mic! Bam! We've seen the problems here, and we get why it didn't sell at $279.
There's some areas that we want to improve. I'd love to make some improvements to the kitchen, to the bathroom. But to do that, we need to see what can we do that this community warrants.
Yeah. We're gonna get you in the bus. We're gonna see other homes that are selling for what we know we can sell this house at.
Yeah.
With some improvements, and really make you guys money. And it starts right here. So get in.
All right.
Oh, this is awesome. Is there a coffee involved with this, right?
We can stop for coffee. There's always time to stop for coffee. It's easy to see comps on paper and go, oh yes, this looks like my house. Oh yes, this is a good comparable. But when you get in front of them and you really see these properties, it's so much more tangible for us.
Really, what adds value and what doesn't add value?
For sure.
When we're trying to improve the property that you guys have right now. This has a great little front yard.
Oh, cute porch
Yes.
area.
How cute is this?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice.
Is this so cute? And they've got great landscaping. They did a great job adding this little path here.
Yeah,
or
very
at least
cute.
accentuating the path.
Well, and even the little covered porch area, I mean, we do have a covered porch
Yeah.
area, but Mimi, we could do more with.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you
Yeah.
guys have some ways that we could make that look more inviting.
That's
Absolutely.
a great idea. I'd love to bring in some new landscaping and create a really cool outdoor living space in front.
That makes a lot of
Yeah.
sense.
Okay, let's look inside and see what we
love
find.
it.
The first thing that I notice is these floors.
These are
wow.
gorgeous.
These are
very
nice.
pretty.
What a statement it makes walking in. Whoa, what a difference.
This has light and bright feeling.
I love the light cabinets.
Yeah, I love the tile over here. The fact that they used a light color.
Yeah.
Buyers want light colored tile because it makes the kitchen feel bigger and brighter.
Your kitchen is great space,
Yeah.
but it still feels dark.
It does feel
feels
dark.
closed in. By upgrading the materials to the white cabinets, the light tile backsplash, and if we just had one area to spend our money, this is probably where I would say it goes the furthest.
Yeah.
What do you think this is on the market for?
$340?
Well, I love it because I think this is just gonna show why we're doing the right thing. This house is currently on the market at $368,900.
$368.
900. So that is almost $100,000 more than what you guys could not sell your house for.
And everything that is here is achievable with your property.
Absolutely.
Wow.
On your home, we would have to do floors. We would have to do interior paint. We would have to do the kitchen. We would have to do the bath and curb appeal.
Here's the thing. We've already kind of crunched those numbers. You tried to sell it for around $280,000. We think if we invest $30K of our own money in renovations, it will sell for $380,000. It's a risk, but we are that sure that we'll all win in the end.
$380,000.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's a good swing. Jeff is our main contractor, and he is literally the heart and soul of getting this done for us.
So the plan is to take down the rock wall and then open up the living room and the dining room. So when you walk in the front door, you'll be able to see into the kitchen, which will make the whole house feel bigger. The dark kitchen cabinets are coming out, and before we paint everything, all of this old school flooring is coming up.
Hey, look at this.
Oh my, you can't.
Are you serious?
Why would anybody ever cover this up?
It's been discovered before that hardwood floors are hidden under something.
Okay,
And I understand that that is exciting and all of that. We also are very excited because this means we have a little bit more money to spend somewhere else. Let's just rip it all up and see what's down here.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
There's no doubt about it. Hardwood floors help make a house sell faster and for more money. So we need to expose these.
We really wanted to save these floors.
Yeah.
And then we started to find the imperfections, so we found the solution to whitewash them. Wait. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Nice sturdy stairs. I think we're like 70% there.
Yeah,
I
at
like the number
least.
70.
Yeah. But something we still have to address is this odd outdoor space. Since it's down here in this cove, it has potential to be cozy and inviting. It just needs some color. I like the leafy look. Textures and colors go well together, so when they do grow up and they grow together, they look kind of more natural and wild. I always think kind of cottagey feel. I don't know why, but you look gorgeous over there. I literally don't know why you're even helping. You hate it?
I'm actually doing a fantastic job. I've planted 2.
So,
I thought I planted more than that.
I thought the wall was a lot closer than it was.
Oh, yeah. Awesome.
A pop of color on the front door is an easy and affordable way to add curb appeal. So we're going with a light aqua blue to brighten up the porch.
Looks awesome.
I'm really nervous. I'm really nervous, but I'm super excited.
Wow. That's awesome. Oh, that is so cool.
Amazing.
You guys did all this.
This is beautiful.
This is amazing. Oh, wow.
Did you know that you had hardwood floors?
Wow, these floors, I can't even believe these floors were here. And then the way you guys colored them, stained them or painted them.
It's a whitewash.
You guys
Wow.
did the most perfect job
Yes.
making this look still like an 1890s house that's modern
Totally
and beautiful.
renovated.
Do you notice anything here missing?
What? The rock wall?
The whole rock wall.
Really creates that visual line to carry you all the way throughout.
What we've done is we've really offered buyers a open concept in an 1890s home, which you can't find.
No.
Yeah.
Right?
Wow.
This is gorgeous.
Before we had those darker cabinets, we had the older laminate floors, we had the white appliances. Obviously with the wall, that closed us in.
And now, bringing in the light, we did the subway tiles, we gave a little bit of modern with the open shelving. I think this kitchen is now going to sell this house. A buyer's gonna walk into this kitchen and be overwhelmed.
You guys have nailed it.
I think the last thing's the bathroom.
A real bathroom!
Door.
Wow.
Do you remember it before?
Yeah, and it was not
It was
functional.
not like this.
Okay, so let's talk numbers. Our goal was to put in $30,000 of our own money and listed at $380,000. Now, with that said, after finishing this and seeing what it came out to and really running the comparables in the market, we'd like to hit the MLS as soon as possible at $387,000.
Wow.
So, oh wait, that was a bad one. That was a bad one again.